Hey everyone, it's Max from MZ Fishing, and today we are in the jungles of Puerto Rico. Look at this beautiful waterfall behind me. So we're fishing a local stream in the rainforest, and we're going after anything that bites. So when I got here, I already saw some beautiful mountain mullet. So let's see what happens. So we're at this deep eddy here, just underneath the waterfall, and I'm just throwing a Thomas EP series spinner. And pretty much every cast I'm getting follows, so hopefully I can get a nice big mullet. Oh, fish on, fish on. Nice, right when the lure hit the water. It's a nice big mullet. Oh no, it got off. I don't know if you guys saw that, but these guys fight really hard. I heard people call them like jungle trout or something. They're really fun. I'm going to try upstream a little bit since some locals went swimming at the hole I was fishing at. But up here looks really good too. Oh, I already got a bite. Oh my gosh. That one was small though, on the trout magnet. Ooh, this deep hole looks really good. Oh, I had a bite. Oh, that's not a mountain mullet. That's some type of, what is that? Oh my god, is this like a sleeper? Oh my gosh, it's right in front of me, hold on. What is that thing? I'm dangling my trout magnet right in front of it. What the heck? Oh, please eat. That'd be so cool if I can catch it. Seems like the spinner would do a little better here. I did get some bites, including a really weird fish. I don't know what it was right in front of me, but I think I'm going to switch back to the spinner. Got the spinner on. Hopefully we can get a quick bite. Oh my gosh, already got a follow and multiple hits. I saw a big mountain mullet. Oh, I have a whole school of them following me. Look, 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 look. I don't know if you can see that through the glare, but there's so many fish. They definitely react to the spinner much better than the trout magnet. I've noticed that they keep chasing the lure, but they're not committing to it. And then they lose interest after a little bit. So I'm going to give the fish down there a little break and see if I can catch one a little upstream. Guys, I got one. I got one. I just turned the GoPro off. Finally, this is a really big one. I casted it upstream and it bit as soon as it landed in the water. Nice big mountain mullet. There's like 3 of them follow. Oh, there's like 3 huge ones following this one. They fight so hard for their size. So much fun. Oh my gosh, this is a big fat one. Look at the size of this one. Holy crap. Beautiful. This stream is gorgeous. There's so many deep pools of fish as well. There's a lot of fish in them. Let's let this one go. So I caught the last fish just casting into the really fast current up there. And I saw some of its friends following it, so I'm pretty sure there's more. Okay, for some reason the water got really high really fast, but it didn't rain anywhere. So I'm not really sure what happened, but we moved a little upstream where the water's slightly calmer. But it's really murky now, so We'll see if we can catch some fish. Oh! Oh my gosh! Look, look, look! I got a mini one. I set the hook right out the water. That's pretty cool. Baby mountain mullet. This is like the average size people catch in Florida. Oh, there he goes. That's pretty cool. Oh, I had a hit. That one was a big one. I feel pretty good about this spot. Maybe the murky water helped the fishing a little bit. They have less time to hesitate and look at the lure. Oh, fish on! Oh my gosh! I set the hook and this guy came out of the water. Didn't even have time to fight him. We're getting a little bigger, but not as big as the first two. There we go, beautiful mountain mullet.
Oh, we see it. You just go like that.
Yeah.
Boom, you catch a big one.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna explain to you what it is.
Yeah.
There's only 3 fishes on this side because that's the beginning of the mountain.
Right.
It's the mountain mullet. In Spanish, it's called the how.
The how?
Then anguila. Anguila is the eels.
Oh, eel. Okay.
Oh, beautiful.
Okay.
And then there is the shrimps.
Okay.
Which they call them mini lobsters because they're this big.
Okay.
So tomorrow, me and my friend are coming here and put traps. We're gonna catch because the water's too rough today.
Yeah.
So tomorrow we're gonna put traps, catch the eels and the lobsters, the mini lobsters, and then fish like you guys are doing.
Oh.
But guess what I catch them with?
What?
I know that it works. I throw a piece of Cheeto or a piece of bread.
Oh, okay.
That's what I got there. I got Cheetos and bread.
Wow.
And boom, I catch them like that.
Yeah.
So I'm happy to see you guys here.
Yeah.
Enjoy it, have fun, okay?
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, my name is Sanquiche.
Sanquiche.
Yeah, right here.
Let's,
Oh,
that's cool.
Oh, it has fish on it too.
Yeah, let's take a picture together. Yeah.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah. I just met a really nice local. His name was Sanquiche, and he was telling me the mountain mullet get really big in here, and he uses bread and Cheetos to catch them, which is pretty cool. Oh, fish on, fish on, fish on. Right in the huge current. Oh my gosh. What is this? Big mountain mullet. Oh no, I got off. Oh, he got off. I don't know what it was, but it was in a really fast current. I'm surprised they're in there. What is that?
What's this?
Looks like, oh, this might be like a big river goby. That's what I saw earlier that was chasing my trout magnet. Hopefully I can get one. I haven't caught one of those yet. I just tied a little jerk bait on, see if they can get any reaction strikes, and see what happens. Oh, fish on the jerk bait. I knew it'd work. Reaction strike. This one's not really fighting. Right in that little pool right there. Perfect little eddy for this mountain mullet to be hiding in. Not a bad size either. I don't know why they didn't fight. All the mountain mullet are super fat. I don't know what they're eating. Quick unhook and release. Oh man, there's something big in that guy's belly. Look at these little ducks here. They probably want bread or something, but I don't really feed ducks. It's bad for the wildlife. Oh, so cute. Fish on, fish on. What is this? Baby mountain mullet? Oh, no. This is, oh, this is one of those. Oh, this is a big mouth sleeper. Okay. I have one of these already. I thought it was a big river goby, but I'm pretty sure this is a big mouth sleeper. I've caught one in Florida before. That's awesome. it was sitting in the heavy current. Just very surprised about. Let's get a better look at this guy. One of the more common sleepers in Puerto Rico. Let's get a picture and a quick release.